Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how to make onion juice for healthy hair growth. So if you want to see how to make it, do not go away, keep on watching. So I will be using this medium-sized onion. You can use the red onion or the white one, it doesn't matter. So now I'm just going to dice it into my food processor or a blender and blend it. So next I'm just going to sieve it into this bowl to get the juice out. So here's the juice I got. So for those of you who don't like the smell of onion, you can add essential oils into this juice like almond oil, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, tree tea oil, just name it. So guys, we have actually come to the end of this video. I do hope you find it very helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you and bye. I'll be leaving a short clip of how I applied it on my hair here.